Hey guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another sneaker video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from Flight Club. This is going to be my first pickup I've ever got from Flight Club, so I'm pretty excited for that. Like most of you guys know in my videos, I state that I hate paying resale for shoes like everybody else pretty much, but my main reason is because you never really are too sure about the authenticity. A lot of places they get sent fakes and they just kind of pass it off and they don't know. With Flight Club, it's a little bit, they've been around forever, so they kind of know what they're doing now. And I just felt a little bit more safe going this route. I did buy these shoes off Goat on accident. I had an offer that got accepted. But the thing is, they sent a size 11 instead of 11.5, so I didn't even get the shoes. So I was kind of like, kind of surprised that I got them because I forgot to put the bid on it. But then at the same time, I was like, you know what, okay, I could use a pair of Royals. And then after that, when it got canceled, I was like, man, I really kind of wanted the Royals. So I just went ahead and got these off Flight Club. They were just $10 more. These are actually priced pretty good. I think it was like $2.50, which was not bad at all. But that's enough yapping for me right here. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these things open and see exactly what we got. Like I said, I've never purchased from Flight Club before. I think Aaron got a pair of shoes from there a while back. That was maybe 2-3 years ago, something like that. I don't really remember if she said it came with anything. I doubt it did. I think it came with a bag and that was it. But this, like I said, it's my first time, so we'll go ahead and see what we get here. We get the bottom of the box, and it looks like nothing else besides the box. Size 11.5. It looks like the retail tag sticker was torn off, but it has a big sticker right there. There you go, so you can kind of focus in a little bit. It has, I guess, their own sticker right here, which just says the name of the shoe and I guess their product SKU. Then you just lift up the lid. Just as you see right there, it has a little barcode or stamp right there. It has a green sticker right here, which I guess they put on there. And these are dead stock. It has a little tag like I guess StockX does. Oh, okay. It looks like it just has a little thing that they put inside the lace hole, so that's really not that great because it says, do not remove tag. Please inspect shoes prior to removing. Yeah, stains prior to removing. So, I mean, you can pretty much just reattach this, I guess? I don't know, but either way, I kind of looked over the shoes. They look good to me. I don't see anything wrong with it. They have the right shape. I don't see any widow's peaks. Wings look good. I'm pretty sure that these are good to go. Here you go. You got the extra set of laces, which are in this bag right here. So there you go, the extra laces. Nike Air seems to be on the insoles. Everything looks good. These are actually kind of tumbled. The leather consistency is decent on these actually. I think it's a little bit more tumbled on this one right here on the heel. If you can kind of see, it's a little tumbled right there. It's a little bit more tumbled than this one right here, but consistency on these was terrible. I've had 3 pairs total so far of these, and then I ended up just getting rid of them because there was different things that kind of bothered me, but these seem to be close enough. So I think I'm going to go ahead and keep these so I finally have my bread and Royals, and then hopefully I can get the shadows that come out. But yeah, it looks like that's all that came in here. There was no receipt from Flight Club. I have the email confirmation from them. There wasn't a bag like Erin got with her pair when she bought them a while back. Looks like they just kind of shipped them just as is, which I'm fine with. I don't need any extra stuff because I usually end up throwing it away anyway. But you just get that little tag that's pretty easily detachable that just says Flight Club, and that's it. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing of what I picked up from Flight Club. I know some of you guys always ask me in my comments and stuff like that if Flight Club's legit to buy Yeezys from, if they're legit to buy Jordans from, and of course they're legit. There will be some stories you see online where they say like, oh, I got a fake from Flight Club, and most of it's not true, but then again, some do get passed and then they always make up for it. They'll refund you and all that stuff, but as you can see right here, these are 100% legit. Super happy I was able to get them, and usually Flight Club prices are really bad, like they're terrible, just because they're known for putting out the good stuff. They put only real things out there, and this one just happened to be actually decent price, so I picked it up. Hey, but that is going to be it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I will catch you guys next time.